Hi, my name is Choi, and this is how I got into law school. So I went to school in Maine, which is, on the opposite end of the country, because I love California. I was always going to come back, so I wanted to try something different. But I taught English in Japan for a couple of years, and then I came back, and then I taught here after law school, actually. Teaching is always, I thought it would be enough for me, but intellectually, it didn't have that edge. And I don't know if I was actually making a difference all the time anyways. And so I wanted to have a more immediate impact. And so I had a close friend of mine who said, hey, can you do some work for me on the side because you're a lawyer but you're not working? So I did some of that and it really helped out. And I was like, I actually kind of enjoy this. So let's give it a try, right? I think college teaches you the rigors of what you need to do the minimal in law school, right? But it's a ton more reading. It's a lot more pressure because you have just one exam. So all your works and all your studies will come down to just one 2-hour session, and then you have to be ready for that. So college will help lay the foundation for you to do well in law school, but know that it's in a sharper increase in difficulty and intensity. I think before going to law school, or even before doing family law, it's helpful to become a law clerk or to work at a law firm to see what the actual day-to-day is like. You probably won't. Even as a law clerk in law school, you won't get the benefit of knowing how to act in court, because you can go see the people you're working for appear in court, and that is helpful, right? And it's definitely eye-opening. But until you do it yourself, it's still very much difference between as a spectator and actually participating yourself. Just take summers, do some interning, take your time, and get to know the different offices and see if you really like the day-to-day practice of law. Because there are benefits. You get to help people and you get to see that impact immediately, or you get to deal with more complex intellectual things. But if you like that, then all the more power to you. Being a judge in family law would be great too, but honestly, I think I would like to be a judge in child support services, because I think helping kids get money and support is huge, and I like that aspect a lot. I love helping people, right? And I think I keep coming back to that, and family law, you can really see that. I will always treasure those, letters and cards I get from other former clients saying, thanks so much, I really appreciate it, and you can hear it in their voices. Your actions do have immediate impacts, which are great. And it's gratifying to see that in your clients' faces as well.